Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change lock screen wallpaper for XIAOMI 12T. So to do this, you can open a gallery and right here pick from all the photos or pictures you have on this phone. So simply click on the picture you want to set as a lock screen wallpaper, then select these three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen, set as wallpaper. You'll need to allow it, then click on apply and here select set as lock screen. You can also choose between these different wallpapers that are showing, or other way is to go for the settings. Right here click on wallpaper. Now download any wallpaper from all of them visible right here and simply set them as a lock screen wallpaper as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.